Can you kindly tell us please tell us your story?
Good morning, sir, Your Honor. I'm Police Staff Sergeant Raquel Cancino from Pangasinan PPO Pro 1. I'm assigned at San Carlos City Police Station. Bali, ako po rito ay isang victim po ng pamaril po noong June 6, 2017 po, Your Honor. Incoming po ako nung nangyari po yung Your Honor, yung pamaril po sa akin, at yung isang kasamang kong police po, Your Honor, is Intel PNCO po. Bali, nalatdan ko po siya na nakaandusay po sa gilid ng kalsada po, Your Honor, at nung lapitan ko po siya, Your Honor, meron pong lumapit sa akin na concerned citizen po na sinabi po sa akin na yung puting van po, Your Honor, ang bumangga at bumaril po sa kanya, Your Honor, at ako po ay agad-agad ko pong hinabol po yung sasakyan po, Your Honor, at kung malapitan ko na po sila po, Your Honor, ay pinagbabaril na rin po ako, Your Honor. At sa kasalukuyan po ng follow operation po, meron po tayong nakasuhan po na 3 po, Your Honor, na sa pamaril po, Your Honor. At ongoing pa po yung trial po namin, Your Honor.
Okay, so tinutulungan ka naman ng ating organization.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Okay, outside help. Meron ka bang tulong na nakukuha outside?
Wala na po.
Wala ka nakukuha?
Wala po.
Tinamaan ka ba ng
Yes po, Your Honor.
Sa kanila naman?
Left side knee and right side knee po. Bali, 3 po yung tama ko po, Your Honor.
3, yung tama mo?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Okay. Anong baril na ginamit daw sila, sabi ni Chairman?
Bali, 3 po silang bumabaril po sa akin po, Your Honor. At yung puro short firearms po yung ginamit po, Your Honor.
Chairman Barbers.
Tanungin ko lang. I'm kasi, so hinabol mo, tapos pinagbabaril ka.
Yes po, Your Honor. Kasi nakamotor din po ako nung
Nakasakay sila sa van.
Yes po, Your Honor.
So paano mo nalaman 3 yung bumabaril sa'yo?
Nung nabasag po yung salamin po, Your Honor, doon ko po sila nakita po, Your Honor. Kasi napalapit po ako sa kanila po.
Ilan yung nasa loob ng van?
Ang pagkakalang ko po, Your Honor, is 5 or 4 to 5, Your Honor.
4 to 5. So yung binagbabaril mo yung sakay ng van?
Bali, nakaputok pa po ako nung Your Honor. Kaso nga lang po, natumba na rin po ako, Your Honor, sa bilis ng takbo.
May tinamaan ka sa kanila?
Wala na po, Your Honor.
Sige. That's all, Mr. Chair.
So wala tinamaan, wala kayo na sa kabila?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Wala. At kayo, actually, kayo pa yung tinamaan.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Alright. So yung kaso nasa na ngayon? Nasa na yung kaso ngayon?
Bali, on trial po sa Branch 56 San Carlos po. San Carlos City po.
Okay. Chairman Karaps, you are recognized.
Thank you, Chairman. Police Staff Sergeant Cancino.
Yes
tama?
po, Your Honor.
Yung mga bumaril sa'yo, di ba may case ngayon, pending case, sabi mo?
Yes, sir.
Sino yung kinasuhan? Mga police din ba?
Hindi po, Your Honor, yung mga, gun for hire po, Your Honor.
Gun for hire. Okay.
So, pakinggan naman po natin si...
Clarification lang, Mr.
okay,
Chair.
go ahead, Chairman.
Gun for hire to, hindi to drug-related.
Yes po, Your Honor.
So hindi to bypass, hindi to
Hindi po, Your Honor.
So nung nakita mo lang na merong nakahandusay sa kalsada, hinabol mo.
Yes po, Yes po, Your Honor.
So without knowing, nakita mo lang, natumba, tapos hinabol mo siya.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Because the reason why I ask this, Mr. Chair, is because dapat maklarify natin.
Yes.
Kasi kung ano yung drug-related sa hindi drug-related.
Yes.
While we of course are concerned about yung ating mga miyembro ng PNP na napapasabak sa ganyang klaseng inkwentro na kung saan ay yung karamihan ay kung hindi nai-injure ay namamatay, siguro dapat i-separate natin sa ating paggawa ng report kasi yung tulong na pinaplano ng ating komite na magdagdag ng sapat na pondo para sa legal assistance for all our PNP personnel should be based, of course, primordial reason is the wounded or killed in action, meaning legitimate police operations. Yun ang ano. I don't know how perhaps the PNP can
Classify.
help us no kung paano how to classify that. Kasi halimbawa, buy bust operation. No, binay-bust nyo yung drug suspect. Pero wala kayong coordination sa PIDEA. How will that now be treated? The law is very clear that all anti-illegal drug operations must be first coordinated with PIDEA. So kung hindi ba kino-coordinate sa PIDEA at na-buy-bust, nagkaroon ng inkwentro, namatay, nasugatan, paanong treatment doon? It's just a question that I'd like to throw to the committee so that when we finally come to a point to write our committee report, meron tayong recommendations, Mr. Chair.
Yes, ito, Chairman Barbers, nakalagay dito, submitted by the PNP, yung mga PNP personnel who died from 2016 to 2022 through shooting by type of offense na drug-related. So, submitted sa atin to, I'll be giving the copy to all the members at para for your perusal. Sige, Congressman
Thank you, Chairman.
Raps.
Anyway, before I ask Police Staff Sergeant again, Casino, actually not only those who died and wounded, also those police officials, no, whether kahit mga PNCO, we are also victim of such campaign during the previous administration. So marami po yan. Marami pong mga forms of violation of the rights, no? Marami po yan. For example, yung mga police na pinatay din. Di ba? Because they're being accused that they're involved in illegal drugs. And the proof is their names is listed in the Duterte's list. Tapos, kailangan ma-check natin saka makuha yung data dun. Saka maimbestigahan. Ano na ba ngayon yung status ng mga yun? Kahit po sabihin pa natin na those in the list and was killed are really involved, no? Really involved in that in the drug trade. But still, they have the right. Diba? Yan, for example, ganyan. Second is, those names listed in the Duterte's list that was assigned sa malalayo, then pagdating na doon, pinatay. Di ba, marami yan. So, we have to get that list and documents. For example, I will cite you one example, Mr. Chairman. Sa amin galing, yung Colonel Rapis, nasa Duterte's list, nirelieve, inassign doon sa Zamboanga. Doon na siya inubutan. Until now, the case is unsolved. Unlike here now, in front of us, of course, are all our heroes, no? In line of duty. And they received such support from the previous administration and even in this administration. But yung sa akin, also my concern is those police officers being victimized. Mamaya po, i-discuss sa inyo yung ilang mga data and to prove you that indeed, ang dami pong police officers na matitino, magagaling, just because they don't believe on such program. And some of those are politically, quote-unquote, inclined. Dun sa mga political opponents are being victimized. Mamaya po, I will discuss on that. Now, Police Staff Sergeant,
Bago ka lumayo doon sa issue na, no, I wanted to show something lang.
tapusin mo na yung kasi, no? Balik ko lang.
May relation to doon sa sinabi mo.
Mamaya, pinakita ko lang yun just to make the point that all those witnesses now in front of us are witnesses that was wounded in line of duty. Tama? In line of duty, legitimate operations against drugs. Di ba? Illegal drug trade. Now,
Kasi di po
yung mga namatay, di ba, ng mga police officers in line of duty, legitimate drug operations. Now, doon kay Casino, kasi ano lang ako doon, medyo curious, kasi di ba, may nakita mo na baril. Tama? Tapos, to the rescue ka. Tama po?
Yes, sir.
Sino yung nakita mong binaril?
Yung kasama ko po na Intel Operatives po, Your Honor.
Intel operative ng
San Carlos.
San Carlos.
Yes po, Your Honor.
So, binaril yung pulis na yon.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Namatay.
Namatay po, Your Honor.
Namatay.
Yes,
okay. So, sino yung police officer na yon na namatay?
Police Corporal Jimbo Agtara po, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, in that case, in the killing of that police officer, ano yung motive that was established?
Ang pagkakaalam ko po dyan, Your Honor, is may nagkandak po yata siya ng surveillance po, Your Honor. At
Hindi, ganito muna. Ayan, yung pagkakaalam mo. But what is the official findings? Kasi we have to check that eh. Kung he's conducting surveillance operation, for what? Now, next is, bakit, sabi mo ngayon may kaso, di ba? Yung pending case with regards to the 3 alleged assailant. Tama?
yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, paano mo natutukoy yung 3 mismo? Yun sila.
Yung isa po doon po, Your Honor, is na nakilala ko po talaga, Your Honor. At
How did you know him?
yung pamaril po sa akin po, Your Honor. At kasi nilabas po niya yung body niya po niya, Your Honor, doon sa passenger side po, Your Honor.
So, na-identify mo, na-idean mo, nung nagkabarilan na.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So, mga gun for hire, na-establish ngayon.
Yes, Your Honor.
Gun for hire connected in what? Sa ano?
Sa drugs po, Your
Sa
Honor.
drugs. Okay, anyway. So, most probably, but of course, this is not conclusive. Ito lang yung maring teorya, kaya kailangan natin makuha yung case na yan. So, maring teorya is, nagsasurveillance yung police na yon, yung namatay ba? Namatay siya?
Yes, Your Honor.
O, yung namatay, nagsasurveillance in relation to drug operation. Tama. But of course, it all still depends on the actual investigation and the motive established in that killing, di ba? Tama.
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Chairman, dapat lang talaga yung mga namatay na mga nasugatan in line of duty, dapat talaga suportahan because we want to encourage our police personnel and officers not to